Whoa!
Whoa, careful! Huh. Hello, friends. I'm your baking soda carton from the kitchen shelf. Welcome to the Garden Tips channel. Did you know? A tiny spoon of me can fight bugs, control fungus, clean leaves, stop bad smells, and even test your soil. Stay with me till the end, because I'm about to share a secret formula to make a guaranteed pesticide out of me that works on many pests in your garden. First, let me tell you who I am. Pure baking soda of sodium bicarbonate. I am not baking powder. And I am not washing soda. Only real baking soda is safe for these garden tricks. Used in small amounts, I can help your plants. Used too much, I can burn leaves and hurt soil life. So we always use small doses and test first. Let's start with how I can help plants boost photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means how plants make their food. Dust blocks light and makes plants weak. I help keep indoor plant leaves clean. So you take 1 liter of water and mix in half a teaspoon of baking soda. Spray this lightly on indoor leaves, then wipe gently with a soft cloth. The leaves look fresh and shiny, and the plant can breathe and make food better. Now let's visit your cabbage and broccoli and other leafy vegetables in the garden. Little green worms chew holes in the leaves. For them, you can use a dry mix. 1 part baking soda and 1 part plain flour. Mix well and sprinkle a light dusting on the leaves. The worms eat it and soon stop feeding on your plants. Now, my next trick. At night, slugs and snails crawl up your pots and eat tender leaves. For them, I have 2 ways to help. First way, you can draw a thin ring of baking soda around the base of pots or on the ground near the pot. Many slugs and snails will not like to cross this dry ring. Second way, more harsh. You can sprinkle a small amount directly on the slug or snail. This will dry them out and kill them. So only use this if you are okay with that. Now let's check your compost bin. Sometimes it smells really bad. You can sprinkle a very light layer of baking soda on top of the compost to reduce the smell. Only a dusting is needed. Too much can slow down the microbes that break things down. Look at the gaps in your garden path or between tiles. Weeds pop up there and look messy. For those cracks and crevices, you can sprinkle baking soda right on the weeds. Over the next few days, the weeds dry and die back in those spots. I can also help you clean your garden tools and pots. Take 1 liter of warm water. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 2 teaspoons of mild liquid soap. Stir it well until it's fully combined and slightly foamy. Mix well and use this to scrub dirty pots, tools, and even garden furniture. Fill your vase with clean water. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda, or 1 teaspoon if the vase is large. Place your cut roses, chrysanthemums, or other flowers in the vase. This can help the flowers stay firm and fresh for a longer time. Next, a simple yet powerful spray for pests and fungus. Take 1 liter spray bottle. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. That's me. Now add 1 teaspoon of neem oil. Then, add 8 to 10 drops of mild liquid soap. Then fill the rest with water. Close the lid and shake the spray bottle well. First, spray this mix on just a few leaves and wait about an hour. If there is no burn or damage, then spray the whole plant. This mix can get rid of aphids, whiteflies, spider mites, mealybugs, mild powdery mildew, or black spots on leaves. Do not spray every day. Use it only when needed, or once every 7 to 10 days during a problem. Some gardeners also like to tea me up with milk to fight garden invaders like powdery mildew and other mild fungal spots on leaves. You can take a 1-liter spray bottle, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and about 1/4 cup of milk. Then fill the rest with water and shake well. Spray a thin coat on the top and bottom of leaves on plants that often get powdery mildew, like roses, cucumbers, and squash. But always test on a few leaves first and wait to see if there is any burn. Use this only in the early morning or late evening, never in hot sun. And do not spray very young leaves or flower buds because milk can spoil on the plant in heat. Now let's do a fun, simple soil test with me. It's not a lab test, but it gives you a rough idea about your soil pH. Take 2 small cups and put a spoon of soil in each. Cup 1. Pour a little vinegar on the soil. If it fizzes and bubbles, your soil is likely alkaline. In another cup, add soil. In a separate glass, mix a little baking soda in water, then pour that mix onto the soil. If this bubbles, your soil is likely acidic, pH below 7. If there is no reaction in both cups, the soil is closer to neutral. With this rough idea, you can choose plants that like your soil type, or adjust the soil with compost and other amendments. Before we finish, let me remind you of a few safety points. I am not a daily fertilizer. I am more like a medicine and cleaner for special jobs. Always use small amounts. Test on a few leaves first. You can also check our detailed baking soda episode from the link in the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and happy gardening!